Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's an awesome day. Do you know why? Because the Bogan 32 is getting the treatment it finally deserved. As you know, we got the 20E, the Kelford RB30 cam, the Garrett G25, but this thing has never had a proper tune. But look who came all the way to Ebisu circuit to help us tune the mighty Bogan. Do. この車どう？このエンジン面白い？面白いと思うよ。いいね。That's right, we got the man himself, Tanaka-san, in the tuning seat. I'm pretty excited because in literally the last 5 minutes that he's been on that laptop, he's got this thing starting better than it has ever started before. I apologize for the banging in the background. We're at Ebisu circuit and Spoon's fixing another person's car. Who would have thought that was going to happen? Spoon, what's your reaction to Ebisu circuit so far?
It's everything everyone's hyped it up to be.
Really? Do you think it's better? And some? Yeah.
Yeah. No, these things are true missiles.
The moment I brought him here, he's been nothing but smiles this whole time. It's good. Also, what is happening here? That looks a little... Wait, is there tension on that? Oh. I should probably stay away from that, bro.
Hold on for dear life.
Oh, man. So, Reed borrowed a car from a friend, and I don't think I've seen this thing driving for a long time. But we're trying to pull the quarter out and fix it. I guess the usual things that happen at Ebisu circuit. Did we just get that on camera? Did we just catch that?
Where'd that go?
Over there? Wait, did that hit TJ's 34?
No way. Okay, don't worry. I watched it today. Yeah, he did.
So as I was saying, you know, the usual things at Ebisu circuit. Today's video is going to be awesome. Make sure you smash that like button and write me a nice little comment. If you were at Ebisu circuit, what would be the first thing that you would do? Right, so Tanaka-san's finished setting up like the majority of everything in the car. We did a couple pulls up the hill at North Course with him in the passenger seat. Now we get to drift the car and make sure everything's all good. And this thing is feeling a lot more spicy than it used to. And way more smooth and consistent too. It's really nice. So, let's go see how she handles. Ready, Spoon?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
That's not terrifying.
That's just ridiculous.
Filming in a passenger seat with a stock seat is not easy.
Not fun, right? I'm sorry. Guys, listen to how good this idle is now. Tanaka-san, you're the man. High touch. We got some locals here from New Zealand, and they're just raging about how good the 20 is. How stupid is that?
I'm very surprised for an RB20E. It's pretty impressive, and one of the first ones I've probably seen over here.
Oh, for sure, easily. You'd
have to get a crate of them from New Zealand.
Dude, they're so cheap. Even in here, they came in a bunch of cars. I think even like some of the 34s got them. You're nearly about to run over a phone.
So fun.
Up to 20E. 20E, the new Ebisu King right here. Quickly reminding you that today is your last chance to order the brand new Resurrecting the Dead shirt. Look at this thing. Spoon's wearing one right now. It looks fire. Head to SAMMIT.net. Grab it now. Pre-orders close at the end of this week for the new shirt, so don't sleep. Head to SAMMIT.net right now and place your order. It's kind of weird seeing Gobbler's car without Gobbler driving it. But these guys actually have been doing a ton of work to the car and it's probably driving better than it ever has. So Gobbler's coming back to a nice car. In the Bogan. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put the 25 in this thing. Don't get me wrong, the 20 is sick, but the 25 will just make it even nicer. You're doing pretty good in the Bogan, mate.
Yeah, not bad.
20 single jingle champ right here.
Not bad, it's rips.
It's pretty fun, right?
Yeah, it's just tricky. Getting the line right.
Getting the line right. Also, you're on the wrong side of the car, so that takes a bit to get used to. You're doing great though, man. It's a fun car, right?
I don't know why this thing works so well. Like, you have to drive the shit out of it.
Yeah. You're just always driving the balls off it. You can't be lazy with this. It's actually, yeah, it's a great car to learn with for sure. We are back at Dake Onsen at Mount Inn.
It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
It's nice.
It is. Do you want to tell them or am I telling them?
I mean, I'll take responsibility. I guess I broke the diff.
He did the thing I didn't think was possible. Well, actually, no, he didn't hurt the 20E. The diff just is a little sad. It seems like one of the teeth on the crown wheel or the pinion is a little damaged. It's when we reverse it, like bring the wheel back, it like kind of locks up, but then frees itself.
Yeah.
And it's making a ton of noise.
It's still drivable.
Yeah.
But it's making a shit ton of noise, so I'd rather not completely destroy it.
I told him he could send it, but anyways. We're hoping we can find another diff tomorrow, maybe.
What if we can? It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Like, I'm in Japan. I get to say I drove Ebisu.
I appreciate that.
I just started drifting, so, bro,
You're happy?
I'm grateful. I'm happy.
How was the seat time you did get today?
It's insane.
It's cool.
Insane. I got to drive North. I got to drive school course. Like, who else can say that on their first year drifting?
Yeah, that is pretty awesome.
Like, I'm beyond the moon. I'm still happy. Even if I don't get to drive the rest of the weekend, I can still jump in everybody else's car and get some ride along. So,
yeah. I mean, my passenger seat is always open as well.
Don't feel
But
bad.
I'm hopeful we'll find a diff.
Yeah.
I'm sure we will. It's Japan.
No worries.
It's raining a little bit right now, but we're going to go over to my favorite little izakaya over there called Yodozawa, and we're going to get some Japanese food and get you to try something that you've never had before.
I'm down.
Let's go.
Look at this place. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, this place is amazing. All the lanterns set up for the summer Matsuri that they're doing here locally with the shrine. It's epic. Oh, that shirt is epic too. Damn.
Does it look good on me?
Go to SAMMIT.net. It does look good on you, sir. It does. There's some really cool. This is a liquor shop. This is an old school Japanese liquor shop. Look at all the sake, guys. So cool. Some really cool like resorts here. There's a new one they just built from one of the buildings that got destroyed during the earthquake I was here for. This is it, guys. Dake Onsen Japanese pub is what the sign says. Otherwise, Aratada Dake Yorozuya.
Just like any other place in the world, the best food spots are a hole in the wall.
They really are, yeah. This is literally like a hole in the wall. Can't remember if I told you Daiki's here, but Daiki's here. Kanpai, otsukare. Oh, they made it strong. I love that. So this is called otoshi. I think it's called otoshi, which is just like a service. They give this to you for free when you order your drinks before your meal. So it's like, I wouldn't call it an entree, but it's just like a snack to have with your drinks. There will be shoots, like bean shoots, and cucumber, lightly pickled cucumber with a bit of chili and stuff like that. Give it a try. Oh, he went with the fingers. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah, it's good. Lightly pickled. That's amazing. I ordered him yakisoba, which is a traditional Japanese fried noodle. Gyoza, Japanese dumplings. Some chicken on a stick with spring onion, green onion. I think that's it.
Led me wrong.
No, really?
No, everything I've ate has been great.
Okay, good to know. Oh my gosh, this yakisoba looks amazing.
What is this?
Yakisoba, it's fried like noodles, I guess is the translation. Soba noodles, so this is yakisoba. Yaki means like barbecued, grilled, fried.
Oh, okay, that sounds good.
There's like little pieces of pork in there. That's ginger. It's really good, pickled ginger. And then the rest of this will be like a few little veggies in there, like cabbage and carrot and stuff. And then just like a sauce noodle. Get in there, give it a go.
I'm working on my chopsticks.
It's all good. You want me to ask if they got a spoon?
No.
A fork, sorry. You got this.
A lot of flavor.
A lot of flavor?
A lot of flavor. Bogan's good.
That's good? That's good, guys.
The one thing I like about Japan, everything has flavor. Like,
Yeah.
there's so many different flavors to anything.
That's probably honestly MSG though, like the umami like flavor. They say that there's like, you know, a different like taste, which is umami, which is kind of what MSG brings out of everything. Yeah. Next on the menu is chicken thighs and green onion.
It's pretty much a pincho.
A what?
Pincho.
Pincho.
Yeah,
What's that?
It's a Puerto Rican shish kebab.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which is just chicken and spring onion or green onion. I'm not sure what it's called, but we call this negi in Japan. Is it good? So good. It's hot, I bet. Yeah, it just came off the grill. Usually I like to order it so it's like, you know, one piece of this and one piece of that on each stick, and it just kind of keeps going, but they only do it separately here. So I just go two at the same time, you know? Two's better than one.
Very happy spoon.
Very happy spoon.
Absolutely.
It's what we want.
Beautiful. Good food.
It is. Is it gonna be hard going home?
Jimmy's gonna get nothing out of me for the next week.
You're gonna just be like post Japan depression or something. Oh man, it's been good to have you, man. I'm gonna miss you.
You're gonna miss me.
I'm sure you're gonna be back. I'll buy another rusty shell.
I will be right back.
If you guys don't remember, Mountain is the spot you want to stay when you are going to Ebisu Circuit and want to do anything there. It's literally like 5-6 minutes away from the track.
You owe me an onsen sometime this week.
An onsen? All right, yeah, we're going to the onsen.
A few moments later.
The big one's for you, man.
9%?
Yep.
I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do.
It's your last night in Tokyo, in Japan. So we're gonna make sure you're feeling on cloud 9.
First one of 9?
Woo. Wait, this is your first Chuhai.
Oh, wait a minute.
Give it a go. That's a 9%er, so it's gonna be
I
rough.
had one at Ebisu.
Cheers. Oh, did you?
Remember you gave it to me?
Oh yeah, I did. Hang on.
Salud.
Salud. Mint. Mint? All right.
Say that now.
It's Spoon's last night in Japan. We're in Shibuya. It's after Matsuri. We had a good time. The Bogan 32, the diff broke. We couldn't find a diff. But he doesn't care. Oh, I'm spilling my drink. Someone called me a taxi.
We just had the best Mexican food I've ever had.
Easily.
In Tokyo.
In Tokyo, which is wild. Wild. Anyways, guys, like, comment, share. You know what to do. It's been good having Spoon here. I'm going to miss him, but I think he's going to be back.
I'm definitely coming back. Thank you for the trip.
No worries, dude.
It's been insane. It's been insane.
All right.
Love you guys.
Like, comment, share, subscribe again. See you in the next one. Peace.
He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned? He said,